So, who will read the sentences and the answers? Past perfect. Sneha, first sentence, past perfect.
Yes, sir. Sir, question is
Yeah,
Vidhi Samritha, I had stolen your tiffin box in recess. Answer Vidhi told Samritha that she had stolen her tiffin box in recess.
okay, good. Absolutely right. Next, we'll try. Vidhi,
Yes, sir.
yeah, please.
Lokesh, Lalita, you had obliged me. This was sentence. And answer, Lokesh told Lalita that she had obliged him.
Okay, he had obliged him. Absolutely right answer. Okay, only these were the examples, if I'm not wrong, or some more sentences were there. That's it.
No, sir, this was only there.
So, dear students, we'll start with past perfect continuous tense. So, here we go. Ravi said, first example. Ravi said, I had been doing my work since last night. Double inverted comma, close, full stop. This is the example of past perfect continuous tense. Next example, skip line for the answer. Raja, Rani, I had been waiting for your reply on WhatsApp. I feel that two examples are enough for past perfect continuous tense. Come on, try. Past perfect continuous tense does not change into any other tense. Past perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous only. Pronoun changes, words changes. Please keep in your mind. Take 30 seconds and try writing the answer. Yeah, those who are ready with the answer can reply. Yeah.
That he had doing his work since previous night.
Absolutely right. Who will share the other answer?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, please.
Raja told Rani he had been waiting for her reply on WhatsApp.
Absolutely right. Raja told Rani that he had been waiting for her reply on WhatsApp. That's your answer. So I hope you understood. Till here, we have successfully completed all the 8 tenses, starting from simple present to past perfect continuous tense. Now we start with the future sentences, that is simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. But my dear students, I told you that when you get the future sentences in book or in exam, please be very careful. Future tenses like simple future, future, they do not change into any other tense. But only you need to keep in the mind that will becomes would, shall becomes should. So you only need to keep these things in the mind. I hope you understood. So here we go with first, that is simple future tense. Tense number 9. Simple future tense. First example will take the same. Ravi said, I shall do my work tomorrow. That's your first example. I'll just dictate second example of simple future. Chaitri, Priyanka. We shall kill all the cockroaches of our school tomorrow. This is the example of simple future tense. Here we go with the next example. Kamlesh sir, students, Kamlesh sir said to students, it will rain very heavily today. Please keep the line for the answer. Next example, Malhar, Ronaldo, you will support us in our sports day. Please try writing. If you want, we can work upon the first, we can solve the first sentence all together. The first example was Ravi said, I shall do my work tomorrow. So here it say Ravi said that he should do his work. Tomorrow gets converted into that, the next day. Okay, today gets converted into that day, tomorrow the next day. Clear everyone? Please try the rest 3 sentences by your own. You have got 30 seconds, 10 seconds for one sentence. Go on. Come on, everyone. I want everyone to write.
Sir, can we change the names?
Yeah, you can. Okay, you can change, you can write any, even if you write ABC, XYZ, I don't have any problem. Okay. Second example. Who will speak?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, please.
Chaitri told Priyanka that they should kill all the cockroaches of their school next day.
Absolutely right. Come on, the next third sentence. We'll try. Third one.
So
Come on,
can
come on,
I?
fast. Yeah, please.
Kamlesh sir told student that it would rain very heavily that day.
Very good. That's your third example. Absolutely right. The last one.
Sir,
Kunj
can I?
Neil. Who is that?
Kunj.
Kunj, yeah. Kunj.
Malhar
Kunj.
told Ronaldo that he would support them in their sports day.
Very good. Absolutely right. He would support them in their sports day. Absolutely right. Good. So these are the examples of simple future tense. So I hope, my dear students, you understood will becomes would, shall becomes should. Rest of the things remain the same. Pronoun change. Pronoun gets changes, words changes. Tomorrow, the next day. Today, that day. This, that. Now, then. So that's it. The things you need to keep in the mind in future tense. Here we go on the next tense, number 10, that is future continuous tense. Please write, skip 2 lines and write future continuous tense. First example, common as we used to take in all the tenses. Ravi said, comma, double inverted comma starts, I shall be doing my work. Teacher, colon, students. I shall be teaching the reported speech to the students of class 10. Next example, Virat, colon, Dhoni. We shall be drinking coconut water in Daman. Okay, so 3 examples are enough, I think, in future continuous tense. Try, come on, everyone. I want everyone to do it. Okay, so time gets over. Here we go with the example. First sentence. Ravi said, I shall be doing my work. Who will try? I'll try. Ravi said that he should be doing his work. That's the answer of the first sentence. Second and third, I want from you people. Come on, second sentence. We'll try. Yes?
Teacher told students that he should be teaching the reported speech to the students of class 10.
Right. Good. Last sentence. Last sentence. Come
Sir,
on.
can I?
Yeah, please, Kunj.
Virat told Dhoni that they should be drinking coconut water in Daman.
Okay. Future continuous tense. Okay, future continuous tense. Now, the tense number 11 and 12. We'll write only one sentence of both the tenses because not going much deep now, 3, 4 sentences of each tense. So, of future perfect tense, we'll write only one tense. I hope you will be able to write that one common sentence of Ravi. वो लिख पाओगे ना आप उस sentence को convert कर पाओगे future perfect में? Okay, so skip the line for that question, and here we go with the other example of future perfect tense. Ram, colon, Sita, I shall have brought your lunch box here. Simple, okay? बहुत ही आसान है future perfect को convert करना. Only will becomes would and shall become should. See, my dear students, once again I'm telling you, if you are facing any problem, if you have any doubt in any of the tenses, please talk to me, please share so that I can help you out. Again, you should be very thorough in this reported speech, and that's what I request you, and please be focused.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, please.
Ram told Sita that he should have brought her lunchbox there.
Absolutely right. Great. These are the total 11 tenses. Last tense, future perfect continuous tense. Ravi said, I shall have been doing my work. I shall have been doing my work, that you will be able to do. Okay, वो tense को भी आप convert कर सकते हो. इसका indirect आप कर पाओगे. Let's work upon the second sentence. Rohit Rani, I shall have been writing your science journal tomorrow. So the last tense, 12th tense. Yes, come on. Who would like to try?
Rohit told Rani that he should have been writing her science journal that day.
The next day. So that's the absolutely right answer. So that's great. So these are the total 12 tenses, my dear students, from simple present to future perfect continuous tense. Total 12 tenses and the sentences. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to work upon the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. What if the exclamatory sentence comes into direct speech? How are you going to convert that exclamatory sentence into indirect speech? people will speak in past perfect tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. No, they may utter the words in a question form, in exclamatory form. तो अलग अलग सेंटेंस भी हो सकते हैं ना शायद. So tomorrow we are going to focus exclamatory sentence, that how exclamatory sentence will convert into indirect speech. How will we convert the exclamatory sentence into indirect speech? That will be our focus. So till here, all the tenses I have covered in detail, and of each tense I have given you minimum 2 sentences. At least 2 sentences मैंने आपको दिए.